fitting in fridge.
Yeah. He's going to get in that as well.
Maybe not.
No, his leg's not in.
I can fit in. Wait.
Watch this go.
The fridge is so going to
Wait,
break.
if I get that other leg in, I'm fitting in the fridge.
You've got to be completely in.
No.
Yeah, it's not in.
I'm scratching my head.
Take out the egg thing and it'll get in. Then go and get Hannah and Catherine.
What, the second we made Dean do? That lamp's really hot. It's burning my shoulder.
You owe Dean for 50 quid.
Oh, I'm having a bit of a shock on this.
Excuse me, Will. I haven't done this for shits and giggles.
But if the door doesn't shut, you don't get it.
What? That was part of the deal.
It was. You don't properly fit in otherwise.
This actually won't come off.
Yeah, it does.
Well, don't.
No, it'll break it. You come and try and do it.
No, I'm cameraman.
I'm not losing the deposit. But Dean's getting a fridge.
Well, hold on, I got one side. Yeah, push it to one side. And
No, it won't. That Aggie, that seriously will not get out without breaking, will it?
I think we should just call it splits then. Just call it even.
Oh!
Take these out then. Oh, I'm going to have like mint sauce in my plate.
I think it'll be the milk tray that needs to come out.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I still don't think the door's going to shut because of how far his leg's jutting out.
Yeah.
Alright, bye you.
You got to get your head in, yeah.
Well, I'll sell for 25.
No, that doesn't count. Stop. Can I just go get Hannah and Catherine
No, not
and,
here.
and say, look what's in the boy's
Well, they're not here.
Oh, you're kidding.
Once I'm just wedged in the fridge. I don't actually feel I can move my legs because they're actually stuck.
Now get out. Let me just take it back. I'll take a photo of this in fairness.
I've got the whole video.
Go away.
Stop me.
So the whole thing's videoed, so...
Hi.
Dude!
Aggie, have you got your camera?
Upstairs.
The camera in my room.
This is going on my
Camera
laptop.
actually.
The camera in my room on the shelf.
No, I'm not going to go through.
Dean, this is going on my laptop and straight onto YouTube.
I don't care.
What cock.
I can't actually get out.
You got to put all this shit on.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do. You didn't get in the fridge.
I am in the fridge!
No, but the door couldn't
You
get
mean
in.
that one part of the bed?
Yeah,
I
it
had to
was.
fit in the fridge.
Yeah, but you're not. Look, that is. I didn't see that. No, but look, the fridge being closed technically isn't. You're not in the fridge.
Right. You said
Part of your body is out of the fridge.
I have to fit in the fridge.
That knee. Look, Rich, come here.
That knee would stop the fridge from shutting.
I've got cramp.
And now he's gonna... Right, Dean, you've got to get out and put everything back now. All of this.
Well, you can try getting in there.
Sorry?
You can fit it.
Will can.
Right, you have to help.
Yeah, you've got helping out, mate.
No, help me out. You have to help me put shit away.
Right, come here.
No.
How can you get out?
Get out then, Dean. Dean, I've only got about 10 seconds of film left. I need to see you get out and fall.
Right, here we go. I will